Alright guys, what's up? Twin Salvador here, and this is
At2,
you know it. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to perform a great sprint workout. We've been sprinting here at UNO, which is, we have a free gym. And if you guys want to look very lean, shredded like Bruce Lee or Usain Bolt, sprints are a great workout. It fixes your metabolism. It makes you look lean, right? Your veins popping out and all that.
Sprinting is really good because it works not only your leg and your core, but also your arm as you move, you know. And
yeah,
it's the best way to get shredded for sure.
We divide this into 3 ways. So you have the warm-up, you have the actual sprint intervals, and then you have the cool down. Start off with the warm-up. I'd recommend running a 400 or 800 meters, 1 to 2 laps around the track. And that's a great way to just warm up and loosen up your muscles in your legs. And you gotta you can't just do a sprint out of the blue because you could have high risk of injuries and stuff.
And then I'll do dynamic stretches because that really gets my body loose and ready and warm.
Right after the warm up, like what Etu said, do dynamic stretches. And which dynamic stretches are not like touch your toes or knee pulls, you know, that's what those are static stretches. Dynamic stretches are more like high knees and butt kicks and jumping jacks.
So basically
any movement, just to warm up your body, to get your heart pumping faster, cause it just basically prepares you for the sprint workout. Once you've done the warm up and the dynamic stretches, then you're ready for the actual sprints. Sprints. So basically what we recommend, try sprinting 6 times. Let's say, okay, out of 400 laps, right? 400 laps, try sprinting 100 meters. But when you start sprinting, don't try to jog your way into it. Kind of slowly pick up your pace and then sprint until you hit 100 meters. And then once you finish your sprint, once you pass 100 meters, don't stop instantly. You know what I mean? Don't just stop right after sprint. Try to slowly de-accelerate. You know? Okay, so basically after you finish your first sprint, try to get 3-minute recovery, so meaning that don't just stand in one place or don't lay down and try to catch your breath. The best way to catch your breath is walk around, maybe walk around a little back and forth or in circles with your hands in your waist or behind your head to really catch your breath back, you know, and just walk around. I know it will be really tempting to lay down.
It was so tempting when you first started. You're gonna want to put your hand on your knees and put your head down.
Once you're recovered, then you can perform your next sprint, which is the same thing. So just keep on doing that. Just sprint, recover for 3 minutes, sprint, recover until you've done 6. You want to sprint these as fast as you can, right? The faster you sprint, the better results you'll get. It's that simple, huh? Yeah, so as you guys start to get better at these sprints, you wanna push yourself more. Meaning you can do this in many ways. For instance, you can maybe instead of doing 6 sprints, you can do 10, or instead of running 100, you can run 200. You can do a lot of different variations to advance yourself.
You could always accommodate for what you're trying to gain, you know.
Yeah, and also a trick to try to sprint as fast as you can. The faster you move your arms, the faster your legs will move. It's like a subconscious thing. That's what my track coach always said. If you're running out of energy and you feel you just want to give up, they say, strike your arms really fast, and it'll make your legs run faster as well. And
sprinting, if you raise your knee really high, that helps you get further too.
And also try to have yourself slanted. Don't be sprinting like this, because it's aerodynamic, right? If you're like this, the wind is pushing you backwards. I mean, you're gonna run a little slower. All those little things add up when it comes to sprinting. So if you're sprinting kind of with your chin down, you don't really striving your arms, you'll go faster.
When you first start, you can put your head down because you're just starting. So you can put your head down, but as you get into your stride, you want to keep your head up and then just keep your body relaxed and just look straight.
Yeah, and try to breathe fast. You know, how would they breathe into themselves? Okay, so yeah, once you've done the sprints and stuff, don't call it quits. Don't be like, oh, I'm finishing the sprints, I gotta go. No, you forgot, you gotta cool down. I know a lot of people just want to end the workout and they just call it good right after the sprints, but that's not good. You need to cool down.
You need to cool down, and then after you cool down,
You
have
static
a little bit of
stretch.
static stretch.
So with the cool down, it's like the same as a warm up. Do a 1 lap, 2 lap cool down, nice and easy. You don't have to rush this. These cool downs will reduce the lactic acid,
And also,
meaning that you'll
help you recover your breath.
Yeah, it also, yeah. So like the next day, you will be sore the next day regardless, but by adding the cool downs, you'll be like 50% less sore. You know what I mean? So after the cool down, guys, you gotta do some static stretches. I recommend doing like, for now, I recommend doing like some toe touches, you know.
Toe touches, yeah, definitely.
Some knee pulls and also there's, I don't know what this is called, but I go like this and then.
That's your back stretch.
Yeah. Don't mind me, that looks weird. It feels good, you know, try to hold these stretches for a while.
Basically,
really
yeah, after you do your toe touches, those will hit your glutes, and then get down on the floor, do butterfly stretches. And,
Oh yeah, butterfly stretches.
And like one in and one out.
Yeah.
Trying to put your head down to your knee.
And this will help speed up muscle recovery as well. Not only that, but it also improves your flexibility.
If you don't like stretch after every training, you're gonna feel a lot of tightness in your leg or like in your body, because
you don't want to feel tight, man, because like that just reduces your range of motion.
And not only that, it can cause you injury too if you're inflexible.
So that's basically how you perform a great sprint workout. I mean, it's pretty simple. You know, you just warm up, do like 6 sprints, and have rests in between. And then after that, you cool down and then do some static stretches, and that's it. Our goal is to be an overall great athlete, and to be a great athlete, you don't want to just stick to only weight training or only cardio. You want to do a little bit of everything. Like for instance, like swimming, running, weight training. Try to have everything into your.
Or even play like pickup games like basketball, soccer.
Yeah.
Those, because you're competing with another person, so that forces your body like to move at a higher intensity.
Yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys.
Yeah, thank you guys. I hope this is like an informative video, and I know we're not professional and everything, but like this is just based on like our experience.
Yeah, because we just started.
What our progress is. So I hopefully we encourage some of you guys to like, you know, start living healthy and take care of your body.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and
like,
comment, subscribe, you know the usual. You guys know. Comment down below any other questions about sprints you guys have. I'll try my best to answer them in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram, because if you guys have any personal questions, I try to reply to all my DMs. I get a lot of DMs and I try to reply to everyone. So if you guys want to connect with me, follow me on Instagram, or if you guys want to talk to Ed too, follow him.
All the links will be down below in the description.
Follow him on this Instagram as well, and and also subscribe to Ed2's YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description. You know, Ed2 social media stuff will be in the description. My stuff will be in the description. Go click that description. Don't ignore it.
Go subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel.
Follow us.
Hey, follow us. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Peace.